When I first started doing my hair, I thought I was doing invisible locks, but obviously God had other plans. Okay, so this was my inspo when I was parting my hair out. I practiced first on my natural hair, but it was looking a mess, so I thought it would look better with the Marley hair. But when I put it in, I didn't like it, and it was also hard to do in the mirror. So I just decided to go with the safer option of Cuban twist. I know it's basically the same concept, but I promise y'all that twisting at the roots was driving me crazy. First, I got one strand of Cuban hair and crocheted it through. Then I wrapped the hair around the braid. So at this point I messed up because I should have wrapped a smaller section around the braid, or I should have just braided at the roots, but clearly I was too stressed to think at this point. Next I made sure to hide my braid behind the Marley hair, and then I started twisting. Just to warn you, the ends of the Marley hair do get nappy and tangled, but you just gotta pull through it and you'll be fine. So yeah, that's pretty much how I did my Cuban twist.
What are you scared for? What you waiting for? The video already going.
I'm scared something. I don't know about it. What you waiting for? We already. I know what's going. Oh, the steam had came.
I was trying to get Thunder her few minutes in earlier, but that was wrong with the line boat.
Oh my god. Okay, let me turn this off. What'd you say?
Dad was going with the line boat, so she was scared.
She didn't really want from me, but she did definitely try away from me.
And she has not come back out since. I went to get that medicine at 11:30, and I still haven't. That was my first time seeing her, and she ran from me. So I'm trying to give her the medicine, but
Okay, so now, should I keep it? Okay, I'm keeping it 30 seconds. I hope it ain't none of my hair down in this water. Cause that's burnt.
it's Friday.
Oh Lord, oh Jesus, oh God, oh Lord. Help me.
Oh,
You will hear me over here getting burnt.
help me what?
I don't know. Just like I just burnt my arm.
It ain't gonna blister.
It ain't looking too good. Maybe I shouldn't have dipped them. Does it look weird? What? It got dry. Is all my hair here on this side?
No.
It burning my head through the towel.
Well, dipping them definitely made them skinny, girl.
I don't know if they're gonna look weird. I'm gonna take them out.
You ain't even gave me a chance.
Ooh. This video is from 2 weeks later when I went back in and decided to change my hair from middle part to side part. And yeah, this is just the final results. I really like how it turned out, and I most likely will do it again.